Did you know there's a hidden free feature in After Effects that lets you export GIFs quickly? No expensive plugins required? As of version 24, 5.0, After Effects doesn't natively export GIFs. Many users think their only option is to purchase plugins like GIFGUN from Ascripts. While it's a fantastic tool, at $40, it might not fit everyone's budget. But what if there's a built-in method that most people overlook? Let's dive into it. When you're ready to export your animation, instead of clicking Render in the render queue, click on Queue in AME instead. This will open Adobe Media Encoder, which is installed alongside After Effects. Inside Adobe Media Encoder, you'll see your composition listed. Click on the preset or format beside your file to choose your export settings. Select Animated GIF from the list of formats. You can also select presets based on your needs, like whether you want transparency or specific quality settings. Next, choose your output location by clicking on the output file name. And just like that, you've exported a GIF directly from After Effects. Quickly, easily, and for free. No extra plugins, no additional costs. See how simple that was? Exporting GIFs doesn't have to be complicated or costly. You've got all the tools you need right within Adobe. If this tip helped streamline your workflow, please like this video and subscribe for more time-saving After Effects tricks. And if you want to unlock more hidden features to boost your productivity, check out my next video where I reveal some other great techniques. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, a great life, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.